curious that needle was. Oh, Jesus. Oh, dang.
We did it, baby! Let's go! Let's get this bread! I'm gonna be completely honest. My favorite color, Gatorade, is red, but it always tastes better in the squirt bottle. If you agree, like the video. If not, I don't care, still like the video. We brought Brian's car all the way out here, but it did make the cut. The hunting property we're going on is too rough, so Brian's car's not gonna be able to make it out there. But the truck's going, Dalton's truck's going, Matt's truck's going. We're gonna go have some fun. I'm sorry, Brian, behind the camera, that your car couldn't make it, but trust me, 1,000 subscribers and it's going down. You're not getting away that time. What have I gotten myself into? Dalton, I hate you. I know it's an off-road truck, but just hitting bumps like this makes me cringe. Oh my goodness. Oh. Jeez. Yes, my truck squeaks. I know. I'm working on it. Gosh. Look, normal road. Normal road. Let's go, baby. Let's get this bread. That's the intro right there. After going through a couple puddles, definitely glad we didn't bring Brian's car, but I'm definitely looking forward to the future because, oh yeah, we're not going to take it into stuff like that, but we'll take it out where it's muddy but not deep, and we'll you know, at least get it dirty a little bit. But we're going through some stuff here, so stay tuned. It's going to get wild. Oh shit. A log in the way. This is more off-roading than I'd like to do. We're committed now. That's a fucking tree. We're hitting trees. Oh, the scratches.
That's the sound of your paint scratching.
Oh my god. Stop, don't say it. No, just shush. Just shush. Look at this one. Oh my god.
Another paint scratcher.
The things I do for YouTube. Oh my god. Hate y'all. It's a good thing I've never... Oh. It's a good thing my windows are down and I've never buffed and waxed this thing. So I could probably buff it out one time and get all those scratches out. But still, it's freaking... Oh. This will be enough off-roading for me for a year. Oh. Don't get me wrong, this is cool as shit. It's not what I like to do with my truck. Y'all better like this video. Please like this video. Give me to 1,000 subscribers for this. Holy crap. I've never been so excited to see grass in my life. Holy crap. Never been so excited. I'm literally hitting tree branches. This is really cool. Dalton's walking out to test it. I'm doing it. Oh my goodness. He's testing to see how deep it goes.
I think you got it. We got it.
Ah! I hate y'all so much. Dalton tested the water. It's about knee deep, about halfway out. He's gonna send it and try it. I had to take a piss before we do this. I'm nervous. Oh my goodness. He said he's gonna go through first. We have no tow ropes, no tow hooks, no nothing. So let's see how it goes.
Here we go.
You can see this. I'm so nervous.
Put the rear windows up. Leave the front down.
Oh, fuck me.
Behind the scenes.
I gotta go into it straight.
Yeah. Go and do it in 4 low.
4 low?
Yeah, with tow haul on.
This makes me so freaking nervous.
It's not that bad.
I gotta put it in neutral to do 4 low.
Yeah.
Here we go. And it takes the traction control off?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so freaking nervous. You have no idea.
Here we go.
Why is it revving so much?
Because it's in 4 low.
I'm still nervous. Oh, I hate that so much.
We did it, no problem.
We did it, baby! Let's go!
That's what she said.
We made it through. We did it, boys. That was probably the sketchiest thing I've ever done. I've never taken my truck through anything like that. It was definitely really fun, though. Am I gonna do it again? Probably not. Thank you, Dalton, sitting over there. Awesome time with you, Matt. Thanks, Dalton, for having us out. We had a great time. Next time, Brian's car is coming, but
It's not.
we'll see. Get me to 1,000 subscribers, and we'll see something with Brian's car. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get this bread.